So today we're going to be rating fidgets with my friend.
Hello.
And he's going to start off with this one. How much do you like it out of 10?
10.
10 out of 10, okay. How much do you like this one?
9.
9, okay. How much do you like this?
100.
100 out of 10, okay. Pass it back. How much do you like this?
10.
Okay, 10 out of 10 again. How much do you like this puppet?
60.
60 out of 10, okay. How much do you like this one? How much do you like it?
1,000,000.
1,000,000 out of 10, okay, jeez. How much do you like this marble mesh out of 10?
16.
16 out of 10, well, see you guys in the next video. And tune in next time, I might be doing an animation. So, who knows? Bye, everybody. Say bye.
Bye-bye.
And let's have a great time. Don't forget to subscribe.